Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be comparing the 2018 Yeezy Zebra with the 2017 version. There aren't that many differences, but I'm going to go over everything that I've noticed and give you guys a closer look at the 2018 version. Alright, before we start the comparison, I do want to mention these are my actual size. These are size 11 and these are size 7.5. So a lot of the differences that your eye might notice is because of the sizing, so be careful about that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is the box. Here's the 2017 label. So get a good look at that. And then getting into the 2018. So the color and everything and the label, everything is the same, except on the 2018 version it says the EPC is inside, which is like that sticker that you scan. I'll show you guys that sticker. However, the 2017 one didn't have it. Other than that, the boxes are all the same. Alright, so as I mentioned with the box, this is like the sticker that I was talking about, the EPC inside. This is what it is. The other one only comes with this. Well, now it's worn, so it's not even on there. Getting into the sneaker itself, the first major difference is the Supply 350 written on the side. So here's the 2018 version. Once again, guys, these are different sizes, so please keep that in mind. But anyways, the 2018 version, we have a brighter Supply 350. It's a little bit more curved. With the 2017 version, you guys could definitely tell that this is a lot more of a darker red colorway and it's a lot straighter. So you guys can see, look at that. It's like a straight line going through. So first difference, once again, I'll put them side by side. 2018, 2017. So 2017 is on the bottom, 2018 on the top. Clearly a big difference there. I prefer the 2017 version. But let's get into some other differences. The second major thing I've noticed on the 2017 version, now these are worn, however, even dead stock versions, the bottom is a lot more yellow than the 2018 version, and that starts on the heel area too. So as you guys can see how yellow that is. Now it has yellowed a little bit more due to it being worn. On the 2018 version, we have a completely cream sole pretty much. It's a little bit more yellow than this part, but not that noticeable. And once again, on the back, not that noticeable. Just a little bit darker. Another difference comes on the inside of the sneakers. Now, the 2017 version, these parts right here, the texture is a little bit different on the suede. So again, these have been worn, so it's a little bit more roughed up than when it comes brand new. But as you guys can see the texture, get a close look at that. And then with the 2018 version, it's a little bit more smooth, especially when you touch it. It's a little bit more smooth. I mean, you're not really going to pick that up in pictures, but in hand it is pretty noticeable. And then one other major difference that I'm going to go over is the production date. So this is the 2017 version. These were produced in 2017, as you guys can see right there, it says it. So March 2017. Better look at that. And the production date on the newer ones, it is September 2018. So that's actually very recent. So 09/18. Alright guys, hope that was helpful. Other than that, there's only one other thing I do want to point out. The primate is a lot tighter on the 2017 version. Like the weave is a lot more tight. This one's a little bit, the 2018 version is a little bit more stretchy. It's a little more like softer, I guess. And with that said, the sizing does vary kind of. So with the 2017 version, you have to go at least like half a size to a full size up. This one, I would say still go half a size up, but it's not like necessary, like in my opinion. True to size might still work for you, but so yeah, definitely 2017 one fits a little bit more tighter from what I've noticed, but nonetheless, here you have them side by side. So again, my pick is the 2017 version. I think it's a little bit nicer, but again, this one has the clear outsoles, which is the advantage in my opinion. Overall, both really dope sneakers. If you weren't able to pick the 2017 one up, go ahead and pick the 2018 one up while you can. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.